Hey, what's up and welcome back to Ready, Set, Viral. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the best back to school outfits that you need to have. But before we begin with today's video, I want all of you to hit that red subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A number of you are undoubtedly already thinking about school as time passes. It's difficult to consider, particularly when thinking about what to wear. The main purpose of going to school is to present yourself in a good light. And now, we will demonstrate the very finest clothes you should choose for the beginning of the school year. Let's go. The first outfit is very simple. All you need is a white dress and a crop top. You should put the crop top on first and then the dress. And next, add some cool shoes, whether that be some casual Converse or something else. Just make sure it does look good with the dress. The next outfit is also simple. All you need is a white crop top, some blue jeans, and some fancy shoes. It's very simple and you could wear it pretty much everywhere, as it's very comfortable but doesn't look that casual. This outfit's very cool. Firstly, you'll need a white long sleeve t-shirt, and then a black t-shirt, preferably with a cool design, and basic black pants. Firstly, put on the white long sleeved shirt, then your black t-shirt, and then obviously the black pants. All combined together, it should look amazing on you. This outfit is so great. For this outfit, you'll need a red sweatshirt, blue jeans, and white shoes. It is rather basic, but it looks good, so who cares? It'll be very good during autumn as it won't be too hot, but you also won't feel too cold wearing this. This outfit's very simple. All you need is a dress and a sweater. For this outfit, get a red dress and a gray sweater, and this combination might sound strange at first, but it looks really good when you try it on. It's a nice outfit and you definitely look amazing in it. This outfit is very simple but looks nice. For this one, you'll need a black dress. The one in the video has a very cool flowery design, so maybe go for something like that. And a plain black t-shirt. That's all. It's very simple but looks so nice and comfy. This next outfit is also very simple. All you need is a white hoodie. The one in the video is from Urban Outfitters, but you can get the same one anywhere. And you need some blue skinny jeans. You should also get white shoes as they would definitely look good with this outfit. So firstly, put on the hoodie, then the jeans, and then finally add the shoes. It's pretty cool and it's definitely an amazing outfit to wear. In conclusion, these are some of the best outfits to wear to the upcoming school year. Most of them are pretty basic, but they're all so fashionable and everyone will definitely be jealous of how good you look. Remember though, it's your outfit, so you can modify it and wear it differently than we showed it. After all, only you decide what you wear. What do you guys think of these outfits? Do you like them? Why or why not? And are you going to wear any of these amazing fits? Make sure to let us know exactly what you think in the comments down below, as we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on these outfits. But thank you guys so much for watching. That's all we have for you guys today. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments down below. We would love to help you. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel with post notifications on if you haven't already for more content like this and much, much more. Until we see you guys next time, make sure to watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you will love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.